What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at TCL was kind enough to send me out the TCL Tab 10 NXTPAPER 5G. So we're going to unbox it and give it a look and see what, comes in the box. Pretty much it just shows the front of the tablet, the back of the tablet, TCL 10 Tab, NXTPAPER 5G. Over here, here's some of the information there. This has a 10.4-inch display, 128 gigabytes of RAM, 600 gigabytes of storage. Yes, you can insert an SD card, 6,000 milliamp battery, so it should last for a while. It has an 8 megapixel rear, an 8 megapixel front. We're not going to too much worry about that. Dual speakers, low blue light, multi-layer display, NXTPAPER mode. It just tells you what comes in the box. So now we're just going to unbox it like so and get it unboxed and turned on and see what it looks like. So there it is. It comes in this little plastic paper here. Just gonna pull that off, and they did send me over this blue looking one, and that's nice because I am a fan of blue. This is what it looks like. So we're going to set that aside for now. So pretty much, let's see what you get in the box. So there's your Sims tray, because yes, this does have internet access. It's Verizon though, but you do have internet access, and it already has a Sims installed in it. So that was your books, and this would be your charging cable. But I'm not going to take that out because I have charging cables already, but just know this is your charging cable right in here. Maybe this tablet could be for a kid or something. It's not going to be too powerful, but hey, it is what it is. This is also running on Android 14 as of right now. So pretty much this is what it looks like. 10.4 inches, not too small, but not too big. It does look like it looks like it's something matte on here, but that's because it is that NXTPAPER display. So it feels like it's a screen protector on here, but I know it's not. It's just that NXTPAPER display and feel. Down here, you do get your, this is the top. You get 2 speakers up at the top here. You get your power button there. Nothing on this side. Volume up and down button there. And then when you come down to the bottom here, you get your Sims SD card slot there. 2 more speakers, USB Type-C cable. Let's see if this tablet has any kind of juice. Maybe this tablet will be good for searching the web, doing maybe some light gaming, maybe Candy Crush, easy little puzzle games like that. You're not going to be able to do too much powerful stuff on here. Don't get this and think you're going to be able to edit and do all of that. This is just, a little nice little tablet for, say you're out and about and you want to take it with you, since this does have 5G internet. Maybe you just want to take it with you and scroll, read a little newsletter, or so-and-so, play some Candy Crush. This is what this tablet would be good to use for. It does have a little weight to it. You do get a bezel around it, nothing too fancy, but nothing too ugly. It's not too bad. For the price, I think this is like $169.99. So, it is what it is for the price that you're getting for it. But I do like the way the back feels. It does feel nice in the hand. Get your camera there. Like I said, I'm not using this for a camera. Right now, it's just trying to tablet is if you are on Verizon Wireless. So that's kind of a downfall. But I think you can still. I think not just for Verizon Wireless. I think you can go to their website. I think you can go to TCL's website as we did in 5G. But the way to get it to work with 5G is having a Verizon Wireless Sims card. So pretty much this is what the screen is looking like. Not too bad, not too bright. Nothing too fancy. You do get bloatware because, like I said, this is a Verizon based tablet, but everything does look good and nice. Let's go see what kind of security patch it is running. Even though I know it's not a new update running for it yet, but let's just go take a look around the tablet before we shut this video off. Let's just see here. This tells you about the device, so on and so on. Like I said, it's running Android 14. That's not bad. You do get your Google messages because this has 5G. That is your camera. Not that we're gonna really use it, but that's what the camera is. It's here if you need it. But I'm typically the one that do not take pictures on tablets. I don't get tablets because of the camera. Uh, let's see what else is on here. But the only thing that's bloatware is the Verizon apps. Other than that, it looks pretty clean to me, if you ask me. You can use it in two different angles, this way or this way. I'll probably use it more in this mode here. I'm just trying to go see if there's any kind of special things on here, which pretty much I do not see. The display does look nice. It's not too crazy. Okay, don't get this tablet and expect you're going to be getting Samsung quality because you're not. Like I said, this is for somebody that just wants a nice size tablet that can run a few games or that can just go to YouTube and watch a YouTube video every now and then. Somebody that just wants to watch a YouTube video. It's not too crazy about doing other extra things. This is what this tablet is probably geared to. But right now I'm going to cut off the internet because it's running kind of slow. And I'm just going to use my Wi-Fi because I'll probably end up using this tablet more on the Wi-Fi kind of mode unless I'm just out and about and I want to use the Verizon connection. But this is what it looks like. You're not subscribed to my channel, you can come subscribe to me. If that's something you're into doing, you can do that. You get your clear all apps. That's your notification panel here. You get your dark mode. I'm gonna cut that on actually. There you go. So that's what the tablet looks like in your dark mode. Let's go into settings again. Let's go to NXTPAPER zone. This is what NXTPAPER zone looks like. Regular mode, ink paper mode, and color paper mode. That's ink paper mode. Let's leave it on the regular mode. I like that the way it looks better. You do get your display, dark theme, your vivid colors. So currently you get advanced. You can play with this and change it to make this display look even better. Get your font sizes, bold text. You do get your status bar. You can show your battery percent. Right now I'm gonna cut that off. Notification icon folders, get that. You get your buttons and gestures. Right now I want to cut those off. I do not need gestures. You get your power key, quick open camera. We do not need that because, like I said, I will not be using this for camera. But we can go cut off gestures because Will it let you? Yes, it'll let you cut off gestures because this is 2024. I do not need gestures running on my tablet right now. Let's see if some other things we can go look at before I get out of here. Pretty much it's just saying it's finishing up setting up my tablet. You get your next vision audio right here, display, reading mode, eye comfort mode, dark display mode, color mode, temperature. But pretty much I just wanted to make this video, an unboxing video and a first setup video, and I will come back with more videos about this tablet. You know, how does it game, what is it good for, and who this tablet is really made for. So if you're interested, then come subscribe to my YouTube tech channel so you can see more content that I have on this tablet, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.